Dear students, here we are going to see the remaining parts of pronouns. So next part of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. Okay, when WH words are used to make questions and are used in place of nouns as subjects, they function as pronouns. जब question words जो है हमारे, what are question words? Who, where, what, whom, why, whose. Okay, they all are question words. Then when these question words they are यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन्स. ओके, जब ये नाउन के जगह पे यूज़ किए जाते हैं एज सब्जेक्ट्स के रूप में, दे फंक्शन एज प्रोनाउंस, तब इनको प्रोनाउन माना जाता है. ओके, सच प्रोनाउंस आर कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु इज़ एट द डोर. ओके, और वेयर डू यू लीव. सो here who and where are known as interrogative pronoun. Next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. I have taught you earlier also that demonstrative is the word that is made from the word demonstration, and demonstration means dikhana. Okay, we use demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, these and those to point to people or object. For example, these are my photographs. This that is Rahul's house. Okay, means the demonstrative pronouns like this, that, this, those, okay, they are used to point out the people or object. Next is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun अनिश्चितवाचक और अनिश्चितवाचक सर्वनाम. Okay, अनिश्चितवाचक perhaps. Words such as some, anyone, someone, somebody, something, everyone, no one, few, none and each can also be used in place of nouns. These are the words, you can use these words in place of noun. Okay, these are called indefinite pronoun. But you can see here, okay, that these are the words. ये ऐसे words हैं जो कि निश्चित किसी के लिए नहीं यूज़ किए जाते. someone, तो someone means कोई भी, anyone कोई भी. तो such type of words they are the example of indefinite pronoun. For example, and they will be used. Okay, you can say that they are used as a in place of noun. Okay, for example, somebody told me that the school will remain closed. किसी ने मुझे बताया, किसी ने. Then this is not sure. I am not sure that who has told me. That's why somebody is indefinite pronoun. I went to the park but there was no one there. Okay, मैं पार्क में गया था बट वहाँ कोई नहीं था. No one is also pronoun. Okay, this is indefinite pronoun because I am not sure that no one में कौन. Okay, next is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun refers to a noun that comes just before it. Okay, relative pronoun, or you can see the next definition. We use relative pronoun to give information about nouns or pronouns already mentioned. They are commonly used to join sentences. Yes, relative means relate करना. दो part of sentences को relate किया जाता है. Okay, that's why here its name is relative pronoun. Words such as who, whom, whose, which, that are relative pronouns. Interrogative. Okay, interrogative pronouns are also relative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns को relative pronoun के category में रखेंगे. But when they comes, okay, when they come in the middle of sentence to relate to part of sentence. जब ये words जो हैं sentence के middle में आते हैं, okay, दो part of sentence को join करने के लिए, relate करने के लिए. Okay, so they are known as relative pronoun. Now see here, we use who, whom and whose for people. Okay, who, whom and whose, these three relative pronouns are used for people. See here, subject pronoun. Meet Satish, who has topped the IAS exam this year. When when you have got the subject. Okay, when you have got the subject, then here we will use who. Okay, जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट है ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया हुआ मीट सतीश, दिस इज आवर सब्जेक्ट, और सब्जेक्ट के तुरंत बाद अगर आया देन वी विल यूज हु. ओके, who, not whom or whose. सब्जेक्ट के तुरंत बाद जो प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना है रिलेटिव, then we will use who. Okay, when the pronoun is in the place of object. Okay, object pronoun, this is the man with whom. Now here it is in the place of object. Okay, so जब object की जगह पे pronoun को यूज़ करना है then we will use whom. Okay, when we have to use pronoun, okay, with subject, then we will use who, and when we have to use pronoun in the place of object, then we will use whom. And possessive pronoun, you must meet Anjali whose songs are famous. Whose songs means whose, यानी किस जिसका, okay, the pronoun here जहाँ possessive pronoun की use करनी है, then we will use whose, okay. Next is we use which and that, okay, for things and objects, or the remaining relative pronouns which and that are used for things and object. For example, this is a bag that you wanted, okay. And next is the coat which Shantanu brought yesterday is missing.